choose the Spanish sinigang because it represents the harmonious fusion of Filipino and Spanish tradition. The familiar tangy broth of sinigang is elevated by the smoky dip of Spanish smoked paprika, creating a unique and flavorful soup that celebrates the best
The
of the
first
world.
thing that I did is to prepare all the ingredients that I need. Cut the ingredients into small pieces. For the ingredients, I have chicken meat, carrots, red bell pepper, smoked Spanish paprika, salt and pepper, tamarind. I also add taro to help the soup to be more thick. In this part, I slice the carrots into small pieces. So here is all the ingredients that I made. In this part, after preparing all the ingredients, I started to heat the pan that I will use. Let it heat. Let the pan heat. Add the cooking oil. After I put the oil, I add the onions and garlic. Saute it until it's brown. After sauteing it, I add the smoked paprika. Stir it and combine. Add the chicken. Again, stir it and combine. Don't let the chicken to be burned. Stir it occasionally. After I stir it, I put the red pepper, add the water,
Also
and
the
put the
water.
taro and the carrots. After I add the ingredients, I let it cook for a minute. Put the tamarind, the salt, and pepper. The technique that I did is to put the taro and let the taro to be cooked, and because the taro help the soup to be more thick. After a minute of cooking, here is the Spanish sinigang.